Hi everyone, my name is Hirsch and I am part of the Hirsch family. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Sales, and today I have the big pleasure to bring to you 2 additions to our collection. We at Hirsch thrive to bring to you our newest innovations, the best materials, and of course, the best quality as well. That is why I'm very pleased to announce today that not only do we take great pride in our activities towards sustainability, but we are also very proud to announce that this year we will bring 2 products onto the market from our brand new nature collection. In the last couple of years, we have added already some of these products to this new line. First, the stone, then bark, and last year, birch. So in our collection, we already have stone, eucalyptus fiber, and wood. So what else is there to add? Well, we have 2 great products made from plants that we would like to share with you this year and today. So enjoy the next sequences of these 2 amazing products called Wine and Leaf. I hope you enjoyed the presentation of these 2 amazing products, and they will be live as of today in our online store, at your local dealer, and of course at every authorized online dealer from Hirsch. So thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for what might come next. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.